Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best door handle sets. Prime Line C1225 Sliding Patio Door Handle Set. This handle fits 3-15/16 hole spacing and only works with mortise hook style door handles. This C1225 sliding patio door handle set makes the DIY project a breeze, and it includes an inside pull with an outside non-locking pull. The inside pull projects a total of 1 7/8 of an inch towards the inside of the home. It features a white die-cast thumb turn with a durable steel latch activator. Prime Line C1204 Sliding Glass Door Handle Set. This handle fits 3-15/16 hole spacing and only works with mortise hook style door handles. The handle set is non-handed, allowing it to be used on both left and right-handed patio sliding doors using 3-15/16 mounting hole centers. Note: fits 1 to 1-1/2 thick doors. This mortise hook-style door handle is constructed of white painted die-cast materials with a light stained wooden handle, making it the perfect choice for your white sliding door. SCHLAGE front entry handle and Latitude interior lever. It is easy to see why Schrage is the most preferred residential door lock brand by consumers and brand most used by builders. This front entry handle set is to be used with an existing deadbolt or electronic deadbolt, replaces virtually any existing handle set. Pair with the touchscreen deadbolt on front and exterior doors. Metal construction adds strength, security and durability. Berlin Modisch single-cylinder handle set. Uniquely crafted matte black door handle set with 2 3/8 inch 2 3/4 inch adjustable backset latch and square corner striker. This hardware piece is fully fitted with an adjustable latch of 60/70ths of a millimeter and a radius square corner strike. This deluxe hardware is creatively fitted with a reversible lever handle designed to perform very efficiently, whether it receives a left-handed or right-handed application. Front door handle satin nickel keyed door lock set. The latch can be adjusted to fit any 2-3/8 or 2-3/4 back set. You can adjust them freely according your needs while installing. Slim square deadbolt and matching handle set with modern interior lever. This door handle set will be a classy addition to your door. Designed for front doors, back doors or office doors, anywhere keyed entry and security is needed. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.